Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Python programming tutorial session. In my previous video, we are discussing about the Python data types and the Python numbers. What is the list in Python and what is the tuple? So guys, today we are going to discuss about the Python string. Okay, you know what is a string? String is a sequence of Unicode character. We can use single quote or double quote to represent a string, or in case of multi-line strings, you do not use as a triple quotes like single or double. Okay, we can see here in this first line of this branch of code, we are assigning a string into a variable s, and let's print this thing s, and the second variable is assigning via multi-line string, and it's also be printed. And if we run these sections, it's just printed just like array. It's the first, this is a string, and this is the second for multi-line string, that's printed. That's like that way. You can see the we assign a string or multi-line string that way, just like a slicing operator. In case of tuple and the string, tuple and the list, strings also have this slicing operator, but just like a tuple, strings are immutable. Okay, and let's see on that style, that branch of code, and say in the first line we assign the hello world into the s variable. Okay, let's see if you try to print the value of S4. You know the Python is a zero based language, so it's zeros H is zeros position, E is in 1, L 2, next L is 3, and next O is a fourth positions, is in fourth position. So if this line gets outputted as 4, and if we want to range our string, we want to print a certain range in our string, you just put the certain range. Okay, that's me. In this print section, I ranged the string in 6 to 11, so the string give us that kind of output within 6 to 11. So if you run these sections, s4 is equals to O, and s6 to 11 is outputted as world. That's the number 6 to number 10 positions. Okay, next the Python set. Set is the unordered collection of unique items. Okay, set is defined by the value separated by commas inside the brackets. Okay, inside the braces, and item in the set is not ordered. Okay, the within the set the item are not in ordered. Okay, ordered way. If I print this, it's just come like it randomly. Okay, if I print this, it's just like randomly. We started with the 5 2 3 1 4, and it's printed as 1 2 3 4 5. It's just in cause of it's coming in ascending order, but it can be a different order. Okay, and the type of the a variable, let's you can see in the previous video, the type is a function that returns the variable types. Okay, the class type. Okay, it's a set type class. You can perform the set operation like union, intersections in between two sets, and sets are unique values. So sets doesn't accept the duplicate values. In case you can see in this small two line codes, if there is I am written is 2 twice and 3 triples. Okay, if give us the output 1 comma 2 comma 3, because sets doesn't accept the duplicates. Okay, let's see. In this case, sets is a unordered collection, so indexing has no meaning in this kind of sets. Okay, indexing has a no meaning. If you run this branch of code, the two lines codes is given as error because sets has no index. Okay, let's say sets has no index. Sets objects are not subscribable.